Welcome to this quick guide on how to mute notifications for a chat in Messenger. Updated and easy to follow. If your phone buzzes every time someone sends a message, this trick will help you reclaim your focus without leaving the chat. First, open the Messenger app and navigate to the chat you want to mute. Once you've found it, tap the person's name at the top of the screen. This opens the chat settings for that contact. Next, look for notifications and sounds and tap it. You'll see a switch at the top that controls whether alerts come through. Toggle that switch off to silence the conversation. The chat will stop pushing notification banners, sounds, and vibrations, giving you the peace you need. After turning off notifications, Messenger asks you to choose how long you want to mute the chat. Pick the duration that fits your situation. Options typically include a few hours, a day, or longer. If you're trying to catch up later or avoid interruptions during work, a longer mute period might be ideal. If you only need a quick break, a shorter duration works just fine. If you ever decide you want to rejoin the conversation's alerts, simply return to the same notifications and sounds setting and turn the switch back on. The chat will resume sending notifications as usual, and you'll get messages with the normal alerts again. A few quick tips to get the most out of this feature. Use a longer mute when you're in a meeting, studying, or offline for the day, so you don't get distracted. Consider muting chats from groups or friends who aren't urgent, so you're not overwhelmed by every ping. Remember, you can always customize notification tones later if you want a quieter alert rather than turning them off completely. That's all there is to it. Muting a chat in Messenger is a simple, temporary way to control interruptions while you stay connected to the conversations that matter. If you found this helpful, you might try it today and notice how much more you can focus during tasks.